playing this new Animal Company update. Yeah, I played this like a couple days ago, and I'm pretty sure they have a new update. My brother said he's gonna join me. He's probably gonna know what code I'm gonna join. If you ever want to join me, ever in Animal Company, join code Jazz, JAZZ.
Purple, where are you? Who wants to go into Little?
Wait, what? That code's always like that. Okay, Jazz 1 is gonna be. Whoa! There's a toilet. Oh, this is like the toilet update. Okay, my brother just said flush it. I'm gonna flush it. Oh! I'm gonna flush it more. What does it do? I want it. Toilet paper. Bro, it looks like it just got like... No, I think it gave me 100 more. It looks like the bat bundle, and there's the capybara. Okay, axe. Oh, dang it! I might have to get research points because I know there's a new axe. Yeah, there's the new axe. I can get it, except it's 4 research points. I have to go in the mines. Oh, I'm getting poor on money. I should probably collect some things down there. Let's go. There. Okay, let's get a pickaxe. Let's get 2 of these. Oh. Okay, research points. Whoa, don't jump. Oh no, research. Nothing. Oh, no. Don't go all the way down. Oh, no research points already? Seems a little weird. I should probably get like 2 research points already. What? Did I play and got some gems? Oh. I got 1 gem. Don't fall. I don't know. You, put Jazz 1 in. I forgot how annoying that guy Angor is. How am I getting nothing? I should probably get in like something. They just like the Animal Company coins. Because I remember if you like mine like a 5 or below, like you got like some out of I should have brought a grappler. Oh, okay, my code is actually Jazz 1. Because it's like, oh, no, I'm gonna die. Oh, almost died. I might be stuck on an island. I got no research points. No. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay, I died. We have to get a grappler next time. Okay, we have to get a grappler. Okay, but let's get this, a grappler. Okay, I think we're ready. I don't think we need a revolver like last time. I didn't even use it. I didn't even use it. I hate the
Just wait.
Yeah, I'm not waiting. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be so much. Oh, I thought there was some research points. They're actually this way. Dude, did I collect some like a couple days ago? Like I did nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Stop
Yeah. Oh, dear.
Guys, it doesn't.
Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. One more.
Doesn't collect this tape.
Wait, you said what? Collect the tapes?
Yeah, it doesn't mine.
Where? Right here? Oh, I'm gonna click that when
Yeah.
I go out. I'm gonna click that when I come out. Why? Oh, dang! Oh, my game got lagged out. I have to get one more research point.
I need 3.
Oh, I got everything.
No, Justin, that was me.
I got one. How much do you need? Like 4?
Yeah, I need 4. Can you stay down here, though?
Dude, you're actually scared.
Yeah. And also that I know that there's no more.
Go. Let's collect some more.
Okay.
I'm gonna head back to camp. How much research points down you need?
I can get 1 more, and if I have enough Animal Company coins, I can go in there and then go in the text too.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, I just need to get 1 more, then we can go out. Okay?
Okay,
What should we
let me buy one. I'm gonna head back. For the video.
Please not yet.
Bro, what are you saying, please?
Because I'm scared because there's basically no one in the lobby.
Bro, how are you scared? It's a game. It's just a game. Why is there 2 tapes?
No reason.
Bro, what do you mean no reason?
Please.
Oh, dang it, I fell. I should have known. What do you mean stay down?
Can you please stay down here because I still need them and I do not want you to leave when I'm
Jay,
down
I
here.
can buy you some. I can just buy you some.
Of what? Like, how much?
We'll just
No, I want to unlock it.
We can unlock it after the video, I promise.
Okay.
Jay, I thought you have something on your back. Can we do that? Use that?
Okay, wait, I just gotta get something.
Drop it down here. I have 2 things. I got hello bro and mines. Bro, who is this? Wait,
Man, get out! We're trying to do something.
but I forgot. Wait, who is this? I forget. I think he's one of my friends. Don't know him. Absolutely do not know him.
I don't know if I have suspended.
Be kind. Wait, where does this go? This one is mines.
Are you my friend? I'm gonna flush the toilet. Yo, stop!
Put hello friend. I don't see no
annoying.
hello friend. It says hello bro. What is hello bro? Hello bro. Bro, there's no fake such. Bro, this is hello bro. Is it me? Okay, I'm gonna put this in here if you can. If I miss something, except this is hello bro. I don't know. No, wait, I can't. No. Bro, Jade, do you know what this is? Like, I don't know. It says
No.
hello bro.
I don't know what that is.
Is that like a secret right in the back? There's like nothing in the back too. Yeah.
Oh, that's why I have suspended. That's if you go on mine, so it looks crazy.
Bro, mine said hello, bro.
That's what.
Okay,
go
let's go
on
get
mine,
the
so it looks.
sword. Let's get the axe. I'm gonna get the axe.
Did 2 of my friends join? Because now that's 2 people.
Let's go. Oh, I think it's this way. Oh, I should have looked at the map, but I don't even know where it is. Yellow thing of what? Oh, wait, there's a yellow camera? Oh,
Yeah, right here. It looks like it just goes straight up.
oh, right, over here. Right here.
Oh,
Nah, the axe. Oh, nah. Oh, no. I just died.
yeah, I didn't get your body.
Come on, get me.
Make sure to not go in the water.
Okay, well. Oh, who's this?
I don't know.
Oh,
Can you get me one? That's what can make stuff dance, boy.
oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, Jessica! Somebody kill me! Someone revive me!
Oh,
Jessica, revive me! No, that's not me!
What was that for?
Jessica, if you don't have a
Okay,
grab,
that was going to be today's video. I hope you enjoyed that, and see you in the next one.